Hi, my name is Karen Alara Sandoval. This is presentation the state for day is 18 November 2020, Unit 3 Technology Negotiation. My tutor is Danilo Cárdenas. This is problem 3. The problem is lack of preparation prior to negotiation. Causes lack of lack of experience in negotiation. Other causes clarifying the objective and knowing and the adequate strategy, not knowing the consequences and before counterpart divert the negotiation and total ignorance over fees if the other party lose in the negotiation and implementation an agreement for licensing, representation, and distribution on the product. Concept of license. License is a contract by which the person receives from uses, copying, distributing, studying the motive values of the author, their goods, the natural benefit about benefit the licensor to maintain or oversee the property, intellectual, the technology, and the license grant can be used to access new market that otherwise with they hold as advantages. The license are how the university can the license are on investigation on the general greater benefit than activity carried out through the agreement or license. Disadvantage. Um, muchas